Vlogmas does not have to be, oh, I almost fell, like presents to someone else. It could be presents to you, right? This filming. Happy Vlogmas, people. Today is Vlogmas episode 1. Welcome to my pool deck office where I'm out sunning myself. Isn't this like a funny, what's it called, like contradiction? Vlogmas at the pool. And the pool is shaped like a fish. A fish. Show the fish. Show the fish. There's a tree. I'm over here a little because I think the iguana gonna come. Okay, so happy Vlogmas, people. What are we doing today? We are opening a review of the JWP crossbody bag. I am super thrilled with Amazon. Amazon, you're awesome. Okay, I ordered this last night. It came today in the afternoon. That is awesome, okay? And then I went on the website of JWP and they were like, order now to get it for Christmas. But like, you know, this was supposed to come like in a week, it said originally with Amazon. And then I'm like, it came the next day. And then I didn't know that you can actually track the Amazon truck as it's driving. That's super awesome. It's super hot out here and it's Vlogmas. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm getting so excited. It feels so nice. It feels like a nice like present. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, now we're going to open it.
Oh, it's so hot out here. Dang.
Hey. Looks like it goes in the pool. I'm not gonna go get it. Okay. Oh my God, that is a pretty bag. Not a bag, box. A box. It's a box, people. Ooh, I like that like marbly finish. Do you see that? It's got like a marble tint. Oh, I'm getting really excited. Come, film over it. Get closer. I'm opening it. Oh, is this upside down? Yep. Okay. It says JWP. Let me pose with the box for the thumbnail. Ooh, it's very like fancy wrapped. Fancy. It's so hot out here. This feels like one of those things, like a box within a box within a box. Ooh. This is so pretty. This is nice. So pretty. Has a really nice like structure to it. This really nice brown purpley color. How do I open you? Oh, you push up. Oh, it has like a clasp. I didn't understand this in the reviews online. You like push up on the clasp and that's how it releases. Very nice. More tissue paper. Oh, in the a lot of room in it too. I need to like detach this. Complicated part is done. This is a nice bag. Some people were complaining like the strap was too short, like if you wanted to wear it as a crossbody, but guess what, people? I am petite and like I am like a lot of leg and I have like a short torso and I'm petite, so this is perfect for the short people. It is awesome. Sorry to the tall people, but you could probably still wear it like on your arm. Yeah, nice. So now let me show you the inside. See the inside? It's got a nice strap, like pocket thing. Got another section here. It's pretty good sizing, I would say. Right, now how do I close it? I put it like that. Is it just closed? Yeah, it just clicks in. So it just clicks in, and then when you want to release it, you push that, and it releases it. And then you just put that like that. Ooh, that's super easy. I didn't understand that before. Now, I will show it to you. This is perfect. This is super cute. Much more purple in person than on the site. Other people said that too, but I knew that and I like that because I like purple. It's just like super nice. I really like it, and I think it looks a lot more expensive than it was. We paid like $60 something for it on Amazon, and then on the JWP site it was like $80 on sale, and plus it said like it may come like who knows when. And Amazon is awesome because Amazon sent it the next day. Cool people. Yeah, this is totally like Vlogmas episode 1 because it's like Christmas gifts to myself. Does that make sense? Right? Yes, Vlogmas does not have to be, oh, I almost fell. Like presents to someone else. It could be presents to you. Right? Thank you for watching, and you should totally tune in to Vlogmas episode 2 and see what I do. I don't even know. So I will see you then, and bye!